Sunday morning, as Dominic wakes up from his slumber, he proceeds to do his everyday routine, which is to practice the guitar. He really loves playing it, and in fact, his band has an upcoming performance 2 days after. But as he picked up his guitar, he noticed something unusual. His string snapped into pieces. How is he gonna perform now when his guitar is unplayable? He also doesn't have any money, as he only receives his allowance every month. Therefore, Dominic resulted in asking his best friend John if he had any spare money left. He needed 3,245 pesos, as the strings that he uses has a very high quality, resulting in a deep resonating tunes coming from his guitar. John was pressured. He didn't want to let down his best friend. They spent months and even years together, considering Dominic as his family. Dominic did more than what John deserves. He treated him as an equal, helped him in his desperate times of need, and endured hardships with him. Therefore, John resorted to borrow money from his relative, Gillianne. She was very fond of John and makes him wonder why. He promised to lend John 3,300 pesos, but with an interest rate of 9% compounded monthly. Gillianne also reminded John to return money, or the money rather, after 2 months. Thus, John lent Dominic 3,245 pesos, but he also had a condition, that it would have an interest rate of 10% compounded monthly, and it should be returned after 2 months. Dominic was feeling ecstatic and immediately bought a new set of strings. After several weeks, Dominic paid back his loan to John, and the principal amount of 3,245 pesos resulted to 3,300.17 pesos, giving John an interest rather of 55.17 pesos. Meanwhile, John also paid Gillianne back his loan, wherein 3,300 pesos rose up, resulting to 3,350.49 pesos, giving Gillianne an interest of 50.49 pesos. Dominic, John, and Gillianne, all very satisfied with their transactions and giving way to another fruitful Sunday morning.